All right, kindergarten. So you have actually finished your grass, and remember we used the light green and the dark green to do our beautiful grass. And remember we did that little U shape. We did the little U shape with our Tigger hopper, and we added some dark green, and we added some light green. And remember you made that little U shape around that sun. And we got all of our paper. Remember our paper is held hot dog. Okay, remember it's hot dog style. And we got all this beautiful, beautiful green with our Tigger hoppers in here. Remember it's that U shape. Remember I can come, you don't want to go more than halfway. Okay, you don't want to go more than halfway up your page, but it's this beautiful U shape. I can come in a little bit. I can have a little bit of it come over just a little bit over the sunlight. Okay, now we used our Tigger hopper for our beautiful greens. We're going to use a very special tool today to create the blue bonnets. You have blue and you have white, and you have your finger. And this is how we're going to create the blue bonnets. You are going to dip your finger in blue paint, and you're just going to do some blue around your little U-shaped grass. We're going to do the same thing down here, just randomly. That means you're just going to place it kind of wherever. Doesn't matter. You don't want it in a straight line. Blue bonnets don't really grow that way. They're just kind of all over the place. And maybe I want a few down here. Now I'm going to dip my finger, my dirty finger, in white. And I'm just going to go right over that blue. And look what happens whenever I put that white in that blue. Do you see that really pretty light blue in there? And see how it creates all those different, we call that values of blue. That means it's different light and dark blues. And I'm just taking that white, and I'm just kind of putting that white over that blue or under the blue. And that's going to give me that beautiful look, like there's beautiful blue bonnets in a field. I can even put a little bit up here, make it look like summer behind the grass. Okay, maybe I want to add a couple down here. You don't want too many blue bonnets. You don't want to cover up your pretty green grass. So you don't want to put too many, but that should do it right there. And when you're done, you're going to bring this to me to the drying rack and get a wipe. You will need to clean your finger. You're going to go back. You're going to clean your mat. Don't forget, you bring this to me like a pizza delivery. Pizza delivery. Bring me your paper. Get a wipe. Clean your hands. Clean your mat. And you will be done. All right, have fun.